For any triangle ABC, if M is midpoint of line BC, AM is the median, show that AB square plus AC square is equal to twice of AM square plus BM square. This result goes back to Apollonius of Perga around 200 BC, today known as Apollonius Theorem. For clear understanding, we will use a Cartesian plane with vertical axis as y and horizontal axis as x. Midpoint M is also origin. Take coordinates of C as a and 0. This automatically makes coordinates of B minus a and 0. For a, let's take coordinates as x and y. Length of MC becomes a. Similarly, length of MB also becomes a. Coming back to the equation, left hand side is AB square, that means x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. AC square is x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. This gives twice of x square plus y square plus a square. Next, observe right hand side carefully. Twice of am square x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square plus bm square, that means minus a minus 0 square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. Result is again twice of x square plus y square plus a square. This gives a clear proof of Apollonius theorem.